If your iPhone isn't charging properly after updating to iOS 18, then there could be several potential causes. Here are some of the steps that you can try to resolve this issue. The first step is force restart your device. To force restart, simply press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen with Apple logo. Once your device is open, check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is still not solved, the other very step is simply launch your settings on your device. From here, tap on General, then there you will see Software Update on the top. Tap on it and make sure that your software is up to date. If you see Update Now button, then simply hit on that to update your system. Once you do that, go back to the settings homepage again and check if your problem has been solved or not. The other step is simply tap on battery and check for your battery health. If your maximum capacity is below than 80%, then you have to change your battery. After following all of this step, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.